All right, guys, it is a new day. Be honest, at this point, I'm kind of losing track of what I've been recording. I've been a little busy doing other things, but last section you saw, which should have been not too long ago, a few seconds ago, I pulled the engine out. So to finish this video off, what I'm gonna do is do a satisfying video of pressure washing all this muck off. Now you see why I wanted to pull the engine, because this is just insane and I don't want to get all greasy every time I work on this car. So I'm going to be pressure washing this engine bay, and then later I will obviously all this stuff is going to come off after the wash. This is just a quick cleaning to get some of this stuff out of the way. Got a little battery tray action here, but yeah, let's pressure wash this thing and I'll do some quick befores and after. So what I'm going to be using to get rid of this crud is my personal favorite Purple Power. I did go and buy this at Harbor Freight for like 12 bucks, because once you use the spray bottle on something that big, you're definitely going to get tired quick. So I'd rather use this. Pour some in here. That, and we're going to dilute it with water. Should be plenty. Go. Adjustable nozzle so you can control how much comes out. Go. All right, so switch hands. There you go. Makes it definitely easier than to be spraying like a regular hand spray bottle. Me personally, I'd rather spend $12 than sit there with a handgun, like a hand sprayer type of bottle. But probably gonna have to do this like 3 or 4 times with the amount of like grime that's on there. But the first pass is probably gonna knock most of the stuff off, like the big stuff, and then the next one is we'll really get into detail. But let's get to pressure washing this and enjoy the satisfaction together. So here we are revisiting after the first pressure wash. A whole lot came off. Definitely very messy, but okay, starting to see what's really underneath. So now we will keep giving it more degreaser. But yeah, definitely a lot cleared up, but like all this stain stuff should be coming off. Let's see. See, all that stuff comes off. So either way, it's not a big deal because I'm gonna paint all of this, but I just want to get as much stuff off. So when I go paint it, it is as least messy as possible. Oh, sorry. But yeah, what I might do so the degreaser doesn't soak up, and do this whole section, power wash it, and just do it by sections. That way, degreaser isn't drying up, because I feel like that makes the dirt stick back again. I could be wrong, but that's just how I like to do it. I don't like letting degreaser dry up, so did it for the first pass because it didn't matter. But yeah. So now let's hit this section up and see if it does anything. All right, so we're back after I finished setting up here. We're about to spray everything down with degreaser. I'm pretty sure I'm including this in the same video as I did pressure washing the engine bay. So it's probably gonna be all same video, but it's been 2 completely different days. That was last week. Just seeing what I can merge together for a good video, but get this degreaser. recording this hasn't been as successful as when I did the car, because as you can see, me and the camera, all this fucking grease is coming right back. So can't put the phone too close, it's getting wet, plus it's cracked, so I don't want to ruin it. But you can see already a lot of stuff that has came out. The compressor looks gray now. All this stuff in here, you can actually see bolts now. Still has like 1 or 2 more passes to go, but yeah, it's hard to record it up close when just sitting here splashing back. I was clean before I started this, and look at the floors, everything. Bay wall. So yeah, just stuff is pretty messy, but we're gonna keep going. All right, so we're gonna call it there. My brother's pressure washing outside. It's a little loud, so I have it in here. But you can definitely see some difference. There's still some spots that I haven't gotten, but definitely way better. All this stuff, every single little corner, like let's say in here, it would just splashing right back at me. You can see I'm filthy. Wasn't fun at all, so that's why I didn't go too much into detail, because it was honestly pissing me off. But yeah, definitely a big difference, that's for sure. See, like I still miss spots like in there, but you gotta remember all this stuff is going to be disassembled and it's going to be cleaned outside. I just didn't want to be handling very greasy stuff, so oh, you can see right there I just scraped off. I don't know how I missed that, but yeah, that was pretty disgusting. But yeah, let me show you some details out. You know, this bracket was caked before. See, I didn't get anything in the bottom. Just clean. The head, still a little dirty, looks definitely better. Oh, here, this bracket. This bracket was filthy when we started. Stuff like that, the back of the head. Still not perfect, of course, but it's definitely better. Transmission, I couldn't get a lot of the stuff off. It's almost like, I don't want to say concrete, but it's really hard like it. Like that's not, it looks like grease, but just stuck on there. But it cleaned up as well. Not terrible. At least this is something you won't see. It's gonna be under the car, so. Yeah. Don't mind my dirty face from pressure washing, but that's gonna be it for this video. We will catch you guys on the next one, where I will start tackling that rust pile. Yeah, it's a little bad, but I don't want to hide anything. I want to show you guys the whole journey of this, so we'll be taking care of that next video. But in the meantime, don't forget to like this video, comment, let me know if you guys want to see anything specific, and subscribe.